So first I'm going to be using this Jergens Natural Glow along with this Glam Glow Moisturizer, and I'm going to be going in with a Becca Shimmering Highlights in Opal, and I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'm going to apply it to my face. This is just going to give me glowing skin, especially in the winter time. It helps with moisture. Then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in with a lip oil. This is just from the CAC, and this is just going to moisturize my lips. Again, it's winter time, so I need that moisture. Then I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer. I've been using it for a while now. Kind of gives me a ghosty look, but I think it's just the lighting. Then I'm going to be going in with my trusty Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in number 330. And I'm just going to be applying it all over my face. As well as my neck. Then I'm going in with the Sephora Bright Future Concealer, and I'm just popping this all over the normal areas where I highlight. As well as adding lines near my lips. Then I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze to cream contour my face. Then I'm just going to blend it out with a very condensed brush. And I like to use this Real Techniques shadow brush to blend out my nose contour. Then I'm going to blend out my concealer with the Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to go and set everywhere where I conceal with this Nakak powder in medium. Then I'm going in with my NYX bronzer in D10, and I'm just going to go everywhere where I contoured. Then I'm going in with this Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going in with a shadow brush, and I'm contouring my nose. Then I'm just brushing away all the setting powder after I've let it sit on my face for a while, or bake rather. Then I'm going in with my Morphe 9D palette, and I'm just showing you all the shades. I like to spray my brush just so I can pick up more product and have it be a little more pigmented for the center of my eye. Then I'm just going to dust away the under eye setting powder. I'm going to go in with my NYX Go Brow 3-in-1 Brow Pencil, and I'm just brushing away my brows, the powder that went on my brows. Then I'm using the more waxed side of the brow pencil to carve out my brows. Then I'm just using the spoolie side of it, and I'm just brushing in the wax to blend into my brows. Then I'm going with my Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just setting my brows. I'm going with this Kiss Glow and Bronze Face and Body highlight, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. Mauve shade blush, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks. I'm going in with this Indie brand. It is a setting powder. You can use any setting powder, like face powder. Then I'm going in with this Carly Bybel palette from the BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be going into all 4 of the highlights, and I'm just going to be putting it in places where I usually do. Then I'm going in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Rome, and I'm just applying this to my lips. Then I'm going in with this Essence You Better Work Lengthening Mascara, and I'm just applying this to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with this RK by Kiss Never Touch Up Matte Finishing Spray, and I'm using my fan to help dry the setting spray.